Kamusta mga balibulista? Winalis ng Petrogas Angels ang Capital One Solar Spikers 25-19, 25-23, 25-21. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Myla Pablo sa likod na kanang 17 points, 15 attacks, 1 ace, 1 block. Nagtala si Van Sekel ng 19 points, 15 attacks, 2 blocks, 9 digs, 14 excellent receptions. MJ Phillips 12 points, 5 blocks. Pontillas 9 points, 8 digs. Janelle Cheng 1 point, 13 excellent sets. Barbon 7 excellent receptions. Palma 1 point. Para naman sa natalong Capital One Solar Spikers, nagtala si Laila Cruz ng 16 points, 1 block. Sing 10 points, 10 attacks, 5 digs. Genesis 4 points, 1 ace, 5 excellent receptions. Makatuno 1 point, 8 excellent sets. Doromal 8 digs. Ginoo 3 points. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Winalis din ng Chocomocho Flying Titans ang Cherry Tigo Crossovers 25-22, 25-22, 25-23. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Cici Rondina sa likod na kanang 18 points, 16 attacks, 1 ace, 1 block at 11 excellent digs. Nagtala si Manabat ng 13 points, 13 attacks. Picana 6 points, 3 blocks. Molde 4 points, 1 block, 1 ace, 13 digs, 3 excellent receptions. Cheng 4 points, 1 ace. Alba 13 excellent sets. Pons 11 excellent receptions. Tobino 3 points. Nag-ambag naman si Arocha ng 1 point. Nonag 5 points. Para naman sa natalong Cherry Tigo Crossovers, nagtala si Galang ng 18 points, 14 attacks, 2 blocks, 2 aces, 12 digs. Adorador 12 points, 9 attacks, 2 aces, 8 excellent receptions. Nabor 6 points, 2 blocks, 14 digs. Nyerba 13 digs. Robles 9 points, 2 excellent receptions. Gaston 8 points. Rodriguez 3 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Pasok na sa quarterfinals ang Kremlin Coal Smashers, Petrogas Angels, Galeries Tower High Risers at Chocomocho Flying Titans. Maglalaban naman sa play-in tournament sa Group A ang Signal HD Spikers, Capital One Solar Spikers. Sa Group B, Cherry Tigo Crossovers at NLEX Lead Chameleons. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong March 4, 2025 na gaganapin sa Phil Sports Arena. Maghaharap mga Akari Chargers at Farm Fresh alas 4 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang PLDT High Speed Hitters at Zosk Thunderbells alas 6:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.